Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll show you how to apply for a UTR number in the UK. A UTR, Unique Taxpayer Reference, is a 10-digit number issued when you register for self-assessment or set up a limited company. It's sometimes also called a tax reference. One of the most common ways to get a UTR is by registering as a sole trader. To do this, search on Google for Register as a Sole Trader and click the official Gov UK link that says Register as a Sole Trader. This page explains that registering as a sole trader is effectively registering for self-assessment. You must register if you earn over $1,000 in a tax year or need to prove you are self-employed, for example to claim tax-free childcare. After reviewing the requirements, scroll to the bottom of the page and click Start Now. The system will then ask why you need to file a self-assessment tax return. Answer the question step by step. Next, provide your personal information such as your name, address, and other details. Completing this process registers you for self-assessment, and once done, you'll receive your UTR number. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. If you have any specific questions or run into issues, it's best to consult a qualified professional. My goal here is simply to show you how and where to apply for your UTR. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.